particular opening, we decided to go with a nice light filtering honeycomb shade with the smaller cell. It allows for clearance behind the handle. Also, what we like to do on doors is we'll also put the brackets at the bottom. What the brackets do is, so when you open up the door, you don't want the shade to swing. So the shade actually stays attached to the door. So as you're opening and closing the door, the shade isn't flying around. This particular shade here has a cord on it, so it's really easy to just pull up. As you pull it up, it has a minimal stack at the top. So we always try to install the shade up as high as we can on the door, so that way it maximizes the amount of light that comes through. Some people are looking for full view. If you've got a great view, the last thing you want to do is have the shade obstructing the view. So the honeycomb shade, as it stacks, actually is a good option for when you want to maximize the amount of light or view that goes through each door. As you can tell, it's smooth gliding. And you just go and click them back into the brackets. On this particular door too, we did install the retractable screens. So with some of the other options that we have, like say a roller shade or something with a large valance, what happens is you wouldn't be able to put a screen on this because the cassette or the valance sticks out because the doors swing out. Again, we picked a lower profile shade. That way you can also have the retractable screens as well as the shades.